Maybe these sort of seminars will link them to different people. They will just get ignited, and they know this is a great field where they can invest time, money. That is why I have posted that as weekend program. It can be taken as part time. See, in case a weekend they can come and then do something, there will be a lot of people who are ready to spare some spare time and then start. They start tasting it. I'm sure they will jump into this later.
Rao garu, Srinivasji, just to tell about your Bharatiyam, so for a minute, so that we'll enlighten Dr. Garu, and then he'll give us some guidance. Srinivasji, just tell about.
In India, we mostly sustainable models, sir. Where now farming practices, we are into anyhow sustainable model. And coming to the delivery, distribution and sales part, it is a corporate style, sir. That's why organic produce is not an affordable price to the consumer and a profitable produce to the farmer. So that's why we need a integrated system with a very sustainable model. Like in our villages, we can find some shopkeepers, traditional Vaishya community. They just sit in their home itself. A part they make as a store. No rent, no current, no salary. There is no burden, there is no investment, and they know the customer pulses. According to that only they keep the stocks. There is no this thing. Nowadays, people to buy this thing, red gram also, we are using conveyor belts, lifts, escalator. So that is not a sustainable model. Within the community, like Tupperware, Amway, how the people connected with a word-to-word mouth, and some woman within the colony, she can promote the entire story about their farmers, their produce, their practices, and their value additions, and sometimes the customized products and decals. So with that lady, she can start a neighborhood store. We are planning to launch it as a Bharatiyam neighborhood stores within the community. No rent, no current, no salary. Directly from the farm to the consumer, to the community, from the community. That kind of models I'm thinking.
Yeah, that's what probably that is what you mean by the community sort of a thing. Whatever you produce, you are able to take it to like a shop sort of a situation also.
Yes, sir. And we have to reduce the overheads, and the organic produce should be in a reachable, sir. Then automatically consumption will increase, consumers will increase. So automatically with the demand and supply mode, farmers will get benefited and consumers will get benefited, sir.
Okay. We have one more guest, Vikash Kumar Jha, who will introduce himself. Vikas, you can unmute and introduce yourself.
Yes, thank you, sir. Thank you very much. I'm Vikash Jha. I'm also from IIT Mumbai, running a startups called Rupart. We generally work with the farmers and develop an affordable and low-cost technologies for marginal farmers or women farmers. We are also trained women farmers for assembly, testing, and supplying of these equipments, whatever we are developing, to the farmers. So currently more than 100 plus women farmers are working with us in Maharashtra, and around 15 women farmers are working with us in Odisha. Around 30 women farmers are working with us in Meghalaya. So, and we are going to start in Andhra Pradesh, in East Godavari districts, and all from this year on. I'm working since 2016 with the marginal farmers and across India.
Okay, Jha. See, just once again, I'm expecting Srinivasji to really give some direction to this meet. Where the Srinivasji has gone.
Yeah, I'm online, sir.
He is there.
Sir, please give some direction to our this thing, please.
Yes, sir. Yes, Bajraji, it's a great initiative. Definitely, here we are working on that marketing systems also. So we can meet. You can call me on that day. I will introduce you some people who can buy these products bulkily, and they can do distribute. Initially, we can start in that way. Slowly, we are planning to initiate some neighborhood stores. So there, it is definitely farmers will get benefited.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I have shared some links which Better India and your story about our one of the particular product called Sabji Cooler, which is a small cooling storage for marginal farmer, where they can keep the vegetables for 5 days without any electricity, diesel, or solar power. It is just they need to give water once in a day, and that is very popular currently going on across the country. So,
Rajgar, అర్థమైంది అది కూలర్ అన్నమాట. Just you might have come across what we can call that name of that cooler is
Sabji Cooler.
no something else. No, that some brand is there, no?
No, his product. That is his product. Jai is producing it.
No, that I come across. There's some name, company name, no?
Rucard.
Rucard. They tell that Rucard is a Sabji cooler.
Yes, sir.
Rajgar, అర్థమైందా?
What is that spelling, Rucard?
RUKARD, sir.
Are you?
I'll send the link. Better India. Rajgar, నేను పంపిస్తాను.
Yes,
Just you elaborate about
yes,
it. Small elaborate. Yeah.
అలాగే
Yes.
అంటే ఓల్డెన్ డేస్ లో ఇన్ ఓల్డెన్ డేస్
Rajgar, I'll send you the link. I'll send you detailing link. That is there. I can update. I'll send you immediately. Parallelly also I can spend.
This is the old concept we have used, coming since ages. That's the pot, hara. And then Gandhiji's disciple Magan Bhai had developed a pot cooler. That was the inspiration behind us, because we were looking upon something which is very low cost but affordable, free of recurring cost. So we wanted to have technology, but with this affordability criteria. And one of the need we find out, farmers don't want to export for 3 months or 6 months or so.
Yeah. One question he's asking. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Rajgar.
in olden days in many villages so many people are digging 1 square meter pit. All of their people put in that, and about use bag. Also, all subjects are keeping more days.
Yes, sir. So the idea is same. But idea is the same, but we have just made it a complete industrial product for long-term life and all. Yes, sir.
Ja, one second. Would you please try to elaborate the merits and demerits in the current situation of organic production and marketing? So, small idea about your perceptions. Just a little small idea.
Sir, here we are working with many travels farmers across Odisha, Northeast, and Maharashtra. Maharashtra and travel belts like Palghar and Gadchiroli. Most of them by default are practicing organic. Even yet, many companies are not being able to penetrate into that one, or most of these farmers are not able to buy these expensive fertilizer. But yes, government department is telling them to use the fertilizer and all, and increase the yield. That pressure is there, but somehow they are, because some good NGOs are also working with that. So one of the thing is they are not organized, sir. That is the first. They are not organized. We are currently working with a few FPOs who are practicing organic vegetables, organic fruits and vegetables, and we are connecting them with this market also. So the Sabji Cooler we are coupled with the IoT and the website for the marketing and all this thing. So they are not organized. That is the biggest problem. Even the farmers are not coming together to supply and sell as a organized thing, because nobody is going to buy you for a 5 kg or 10 kg or 50 kg or 100 kg. At least a middleman or somebody wants at least 10 quintal or 50 quintal, so that his economics will work out. That is the biggest problem I find.
Yeah, one second. Small perceptions about these potentials, the potential of organics. I don't know what is your your kind of an experience in this. Since how long you are into this organic kind of a thing, and in the 4-year course?
Yes, sir. So I am not looking at this organic course and all. I am interacting with the farmers who are buying our technology, and we are sitting with them, discussing with them, identifying their problem and how we can solve it. That is the thing we are doing.
Yeah, this I understood. In totality, you are not still you are in the beginning stage. Actually, and I understood
Yes, I am in the beginning stage.
Yeah, I know that your machine is going to make the big differentiator. That much I have the regard.
Yes,
Jaji. Yeah,
yes,
that regard I have. But at least can you really elaborate on the potential of this organic kind of produce? That's what I'm expecting. You have anything like that?
Yes, sir. And another thing is, I am very closely associated with Sabarmati Didi, who has set up a ashram called Sambhav in Nayagar. So they are the one, the conservationists. They have around 500 varieties of rice and completely organic. And you will just see the Sambhav and you will find out. And there one is that people believe that yes, or in organic way we can increase the yield. You have to prove it, and that is the biggest challenge I think. But if more people are not coming, even the people are aware of it, but who will take that risk? So a small farmer taking the first risk, okay, from this year, I am going to for the 100% organic cultivation or 50% organic cultivation. But a fear that my yield may go down prevents it.
Ja, one thing I'll do with one-to-one. I will do. But what I am looking at is these regionalized problems and solutions we are focusing in this webinar. Okay.
Yes,
I'll take your number now. I'll speak. And I'm happy to hear you. I didn't know that you are the inventor of that the blue card. I'm very happy that I'll share my views. Please.
Manmohan ji,
Yeah.
you asked my connection with agriculture. He is my connection. He is my child.
Yes, sir. I am associated with sir.
That's what I'm saying. One-to-one, I will share down. Usually we share down, but now we want to give some kind of an that positive feedback to Rauji and
Ja.
Yes, sir. I adopted you.
Actually, we tried one model at our native village. That is called Gram Swaraj. We prepared a village budget. How the villagers are spending in a month for just groceries and household this thing. That will be a nominal and average is 3,000 rupees. So if we calculate that this thing about 1,000 villagers are there in home, 1,000 households are there in a village, it is about 30 lakhs per month. So first, actually, we asked them to start their this thing healthy and natural this thing produce within the village. That itself it creates a revenue of 30 lakhs, and they can initiate that PKLs whatever for our very immediate requirement and for our nearby towns requirement. It will give a motivation to this thing, women groups, and first they have to be belief, and they have every very right to use healthy and safe food what they are growing.
Yes, sir.
So from there, the movement should start. Then definitely with this neighborhood stores of this thing, women network, how the legit poppers are working, how this some women entrepreneurs are working. It will definitely works out, sir. Some companies like this thing Tupperware or Amway, just sitting in any foreign country, and they are selling their products worldwide. Comparatively, that it is a very essential and very
So,
safe.
you need not to go to that far. You spoke about the digit. I speak about a very small company called Sure Private Limited. This is company owned by 100 women entrepreneurs from Marathwada region in Maharashtra. Promoted by Swam Shikshan Praयोग, a small NGO, not very big NGO. Definitely they have got some good awards of UNDP and all. But a small NGO working in just 3 districts, Latur, Osmanabad and Solapur. 100 plus women are owing this company. The name is Sure. Sure means S represent Sakhi, R represent rural, U represent unique, E represent enterprise, SUR. And they are doing very well. They have a partnership with us and more than 10 such companies. And they are doing wonderfully good work. They are maintaining, the women are able to earn 1,500, 2,000, 2,500 per month. And they are running very good. And they are also working on water. So we need not to go for so far, sir. We have a small example, but we don't know about them because they are working in on the ground, away from the media things and all. And that model can be replicated very easily, sir. Because this is from the same condition where the people are saying in Marathwada, there is no water after this January, February. If you want to, sir, I will also connect with that group. You can also see what you can learn and what they can learn from you, sir.
Ja, you can.
Mute, sir, you need to unmute. Sir.
Yeah,
You are
I know.
muted,
Ja, you can send this webinar information to your associates, probably people who are there, they can at least be part of it.
Sure.
Ask them to send a WhatsApp to me, or that link for joining I will send you. You can send it across to people so they can join in the group where the link can be shared.
Yes, sir, I will do that, sir.
Yeah.
So, Srinivas Garu, please, you were telling something, sir.
Yes, sir. The same thing. What you are explaining.
Yes, sir.
We have a population of 130 crores people. We need 130 crores cages of healthy food every day. We have a very good market. Only thing is, price is very sensitive. If you go any market, they will not tell you quality produce, please come not like that. They will always they make a sound sasta cheap.
Definitely.
Yeah. So there is a price sensitivity is there everywhere. Definitely it should be a very affordable price. So we have to reduce the logistics and storekeepers, this thing everywhere we have to make it a sustainable. Then only farmers will get a good price.
Yes,
And
sir.
this thing, this consumer awareness also will happen. This thing, mouth to mouth only. So
Yes, sir.
we tried some pickles like organic pickles with Ayurvedic properties about 5 years back.
Yes, sir.
So what we explained is, okay, we have a habit of taking this thing. When we go to the hotels, we always used to take some soup as an appetizer.
Yes, sir.
But we know that the natural pickle with having a very good ingredient, it acts as an appetizer. It is more than an appetizer.
Yes, sir.
So instead of consuming this artificial pickles and these thing flavors, definitely they can go with a traditional pickling method.
Yes, sir.
But awareness should be there, and we have to campaign through flyers or some nearby houses. So by the farmers, by the community, to the community, within the new network we have to form.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes.
Sir, can I know which districts do you belong, sir?
I am districts in Hyderabad only, sir.
Okay, sir. Sir, so I tell you, in West Godavari district, there is a one Srinivas Chekuri. You know himself? He is from Ramajam. Yes, sir. You know himself. So they have recently started one woman-led FPO who is now selling this. There is a Kollaru prawns. They call something else in local Telugu language. I don't know. I'm just using. So they have started some selling prawns in the local area, into town only, and they are also going to prepare this prawn pickles, and they are completely owned by the women in the FPO, and they will launch it after 6 months, I think. But they have started marketing of it. We are bringing. And they have started one activity that is reaching to the household level and within the Iluru town with the prawns and fishes and all. So what happens, sir? People are buying this, and but people are also waiting. Like me, I have given them an order. When there is a prawn, you please prawn pickle, you please send it because I can't take prawn. I am in Mumbai and you are supplying only in Iluru. So, and many people from different towns, Bangalore and all, I have seen, given them the order. They have created a WhatsApp group where I think more than 200 people are there. So this way, what happens? They are using the latest technology for the marketing, and we are 100% sure that they will do, because we know that by their photo and by they are sending everyday photo, how much they sell today and all. When we are knowing that they are supplying correctly, it is not like when they will come and all. They are delivering one product. They are looking for another launch to another product. So they will definitely do. So we need to plan in such a way that we will have to start first with a small step, and then we have to plan the next step, third step, and so like that, sir, with a timeline, sir. That will not only bring the confidence within the organization, within the entrepreneurs, within the women, sir, but they will also give visibility to the people, sir. So after on the 6 months, people will start coming to you or coming to the entrepreneurs with orders.
Because he is a perfectionist. Because you are a perfectionist. we have experience. You are from the day when you are expecting to be a perfectionist. Yeah, that's possible. You people know fresh blood. Actually, this can be taken by in that radical way only. I fully support 100%. I support your views.
Manmohan ji, he is a IIT product.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. No, we need people like that, fresh blood. We need to add into our momentum.
What we are learning, we are seeing, sir, we are observing that this is all of these things happening in India only. I'm not talking about something which is in foreign country. It is happening in your West Godavari district. It is happening in Orissa. That's what I'm talking about. But we are just unaware of good thing happening in and around us.
Because one second, when you have started this kind of, when it has been ignited for you to be part of this, adding some value to this farming, please elaborate.
Yeah, in 2015, one of my mentor who was cabinet secretary of the government of India, sir might be knowing him. His name is Satish Agnihotri. He joined IIT Bombay as a professor. He was ex-student at IIT Bombay only, 1980 batch. And then he started guiding us, few of IIT students to join social enterprise or a startup and bring some changes in the ground and not go for the PhD and some corporate job. So few of us came into this field, not only me, but around 5-10 of my batchmate and my junior after he joined are in this field. Someone in education, someone in agriculture like me, someone in entrepreneurship, someone in the solar. So he has guided around 8 to 10 students who are now in the startups.
So what I understood is your journey is about 5 years ahead.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then I'm thinking you are a fresher. No, you 5 years of your kind of the turning point has happened in.
But I am supported by many good people who have experience for over 30 or 40 years. So like Satish Agnihotri is one, sir is one, then 2-3 other people. So their experience, they always guide me. They share their experience. But that experience is really valuable.
Okay. Any direction?
He is a BTech in agriculture.
Yes, sir.
Is a BTech in agriculture, right?
BTech, sir.
BTech is in agriculture, yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes.
And MTech from IIT.
Yes, sir.
BTech and your MTech from IIT, BTech and MTech both from IIT, Bombay.
No.
BTech is from Bangalore, Karnataka.
Karnataka.
MTech from Bombay.
IIT Bombay. Yes.
Yeah. Rajgar, any questions to Vikas ji?
No, sir.
Actually, Java want to run away from IIT, academic pressure and all that. That's a time when we had long dialogues.
Most importantly, sir helped me during
Admission
this process, how to
to IIT was also pushed by me.
Yes, sir. That was it.
Good enough?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Okay. Good night, sir.
Good night.
Good night, sir.
Thank you.